third, and in this chapter we have SCF. What are in this chapter? SCF and LCM. And SCF and LCM very nicely I taught you in previous class also. At that time I was the subject teacher and you were my student, so I taught you very nicely. But because again this chapter is here, so we have to learn this one also. But before saying that to learn SCF and LCM, I would like to tell you that on page number 31, okay, page number 31, you have given the test of divisibility. How we will check that which number is divisible by the which one? For that you will write that test of divisibility. Test of divisibility. I am not writing that. That will be the wastage of time. Test of divisibility you will write down in your copy. Okay, test of divisibility. Page number 31. Okay, note down first of all test of divisibility in your copy. And what is in? I am reading down those divisibility test. A number is divisible by 2 if it has 0 on an even number. Means which number will be divisible by 2? If its units place will has the 0 or the factors of, means multiple of zeros. Okay, like 2, 4, 6, 8. If unit place will have these numbers or whether 0, then that number will be divisible by 0. Then next divisibility comes for the number when the number will be divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit of given number will be divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Then next comes divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4 means when a number will be divisible by 4 when the last two digits of the given number will be divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Okay, all these divisibility tests also I am just repeating them. All these ones you have learned in previous class also. And when a number will be divisible by 5, a number will be divisible by 5 when in its unit place will have 5 or 0. Okay, whether 5 or 0, then only in these cases a number will be divisible by 5. Then next comes divisibility of 6. When will be a number divisible by 6? If a number is divisible by 2 or 3 both, okay, then that number will be divisible by 6 also. Okay, what I said, if a number will be divisible by 2 or 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. Then next comes divisibility of 8. Okay, and for the divisibility of 8, if the last 3 digit of the number will be divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Note down all divisibility test in your copy and after that learn them. Okay, last one is second last is when a number is divisible by 9. Okay, if the sum of the digit, as we have done in divisibility for checking the divisibility of 3, if the whole number is divisible by, if the sum of the number is divisible by, take the sum of the digits, and if it is divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. And last one is divisibility of 10. If a number having unit place 0, then the number will be divisible by 10 also. Okay, in this way we have learned divisibility of 2. If the number having unit means even number in the unit place or 0, then the number will be divisible by 2. For 3, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. Then divisibility of 4, if the last two digits unit and tens place will be divisible by the number 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. For 5, if the digit having unit place 0 or whether 5, then the whole number will be divisible by 5. For 6, if the given number is divisible by 2 or as well as by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 6. there is no divisibility for 7. And for 8, if the last 3 digit unit, tens and hundred place digit are divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. 9, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. Or for 10, if the number having unit place 0, then the whole number will be divisible by 10. Okay, in this way you will note down all these divisibility tests in your copy first, then we will proceed to the SCF and LCM. Come to the exercise 3.1 now, and in this exercise only we have to given the question on based on the divisibility test. First question is this: test whether the following number are divisible by 5 or not. Okay, see that what is the first question. A part 2025 है ना. We have to check divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. What we told, if the number will be divisible by 5 if its unit place is whether 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. So you can see that in unit place the number having 5, so the number, how you will write unit place have 5, so the number will be divisible by 5, will be divisible by 5. Rest of the part I am discussing here. In this way you will complete them. See that B part 1127 है ना. By 5 we have to check unit place is not 0 or not 5, so this number will not be divisible by 5. C part unit place again 0 is there, so this number will be divisible by 5. D part unit place is 8, it is not fulfilling the divisibility rule for 5, so this number will not be divisible by 5. E part having 5 unit place, so this number will be divisible by 5. In this way it will be completed, and in this way you will write. Okay, how you will write for the given number? Suppose number having 7, so you will write that unit place is 7, so it is not divisible by 5. In this way you will write. Complete the rest of the part of this question. Now come to the question number 2. Okay, it was the divisibility test for 5. Now come to the question number 2. Test whether the following number are divisible by 11 is written. There is no need to do the divisibility by 11. It is difficult for you. You just change this question, and for the given question, for question number 2, you will check that whether the following numbers are divisible by 2 or not. By which number you will check their divisibility? In question number 2 you will check their divisibility by 2. You can see that. Okay, check whether the following numbers are divisible by, in place of 11 you just cut it and write by 2. Understood or not? Now maybe I am hoping that everybody of you will understand that. See that first question 1331. Okay, and for 2 divisibility what I told, unit place not even or 0. Neither even number is there nor 0 is there, so the number is not divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. B part. See that 4059. Make in a circle, write that. Unit place have not even number nor zero. So the number is not divisible by 2. Means by only observation you have to decide. You will not perform division there. Again I am repeating, you will not perform division there. By only with the help of rules you have to decide that whether the number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or not. Okay, in this way. Some children are performing division. That is wrong method. You just learn, memorize the rules of divisibility, and then with the help of those divisibility tests you will do in this way. Maybe everybody of you have understood how you will perform them. Okay, in this way you will do C, D and E part also. Only just see the unit place, whether the unit place having the means even number or not, or whether 0. If it will have, then the number will be divisible by 2, and you will write in this way. Okay, in this way second question also you will complete.